to Work in the Yard with Will. All right, so today's Tuesday tip. What inspires you? Well, I mentioned what inspires you because, as you know, I like working in the yard, but I don't know everything. And sometimes I need a little bit of inspiration. So, one of the things that I use is a gardening book. This right here is my Mid Atlantic uh, Gardener's Handbook. It is written and prepared by several different authors, but this is a book that I use in the area which I'm located in 7A, and I use it to kind of help guide me for if I need a certain plant that works well in the shade or works well in the sun, a certain plant that complements or can go well as a companion to a certain plant, then that's what I use. Very good book here to pick up. Another book that I like to look at for inspiration, although I don't have a what do you call a traditional or a formal garden, maybe one day I'll have one. This other one is called Capital Splendor, and it's written by Barbara Glickman. So once again, this is another book that I really enjoy browsing through. There are several different very nice parks and areas here in the DMV area, which I'm currently in, which has a lot of nice parks that you can walk around and get inspiration from. Last year, all throughout COVID, most of those parks were affected, meaning they were closed down. So this year, I'm hoping to get out and get some inspiration. Closing remarks. Today, it was 86 degrees, but felt like 97. I have my straw hat on, so you'll see an upcoming video for me out in the yard doing yard work and maintaining a cup of water throughout the whole time. I can't stress enough how important it is to make sure that you hydrate yourself, whether it be with water, whether it be with your favorite sports drink. Hydrate yourself and stay cool. All right, that's the tip for the day, Tip Tuesday. Thank you once again for watching Working the Yard with Will. Have a good evening.